Wild Wonders, a journey through animal kingdoms. Welcome to the fascinating world of animals. Today, we'll follow our enthusiastic friend, Benny the bear, as he explores different animal habitats. Get ready to meet some incredible creatures. 1. The lush jungle. Benny starts his adventure in a vibrant jungle filled with towering trees and colorful flowers. Look at all the amazing animals, he exclaims. Meet Ella the elephant. Ella is using her trunk to splash water. Hello, Benny. Would you like to play in the river? She asks. Benny joins Ella, learning how elephants stay cool and help their friends with their strong trunks. Meet Tony the toucan. As they splash, Tony soars above them, showing off his bright beak. Did you know I can fly to find the ripest fruits? He says. Benny learns how important it is for toucans to help disperse seeds in the jungle, too. The savannah. Next, Benny travels to the wide-open savanna, where the grass stretches as far as the eye can see. Meet Zara the zebra. Zara runs gracefully, her stripes shining in the sun. Hi, Benny. My stripes help me blend in with my herd, she explains. Benny learns about camouflage and how animals protect themselves from predators. Meet Leo the lion. Benny then hears a roar. It's Leo. Welcome to my home, Benny. I'm the king of the savannah. Leo shares how lions live in groups called prides and work together to find food. 3. The ocean. With a big splash, Benny dives into the ocean next. Meet Sammy the seahorse. Sammy floats gently in the water. Hey, Benny, did you know that I'm a daddy seahorse? I carry the babies. Benny learns about the unique role of male seahorses in caring for their young. Meet Olie the octopus. Benny spots a colorful octopus. I can change my color to hide, Olie says, demonstrating his incredible ability. Benny marvels at how adaptation helps animals survive. 4. The Arctic. Finally, Benny finds himself in the icy Arctic, where snowflakes gently fall around him. Meet Polly the penguin. Benny watches Polly sliding on the ice. Hi, Benny. I can't fly, but I sure can swim, Polly explains. Benny learns how penguins work together to keep warm and care for their chicks. Meet Greta the grizzly. Greta comes along, her fur thick and warm. I love fishing in the cold rivers, she tells Benny. Benny discovers how animals in cold climates have special adaptations to stay warm. With a heart full of joy and a head full of knowledge, Benny the bear reflects on his amazing adventure. Every animal has its own special place in the world, he says, smiling. Whether in the jungle, savanna, ocean, or Arctic, they all work together to keep our planet healthy.